Hi guys, welcome to my channels. Today is 2025 July 24th. It's the time for trading Asia, and it's 7:52 p.m. in Beijing. Let's see what's happening yesterday. We can see that Bitcoin faced with downward trend to the 170k, and now it's just back to the 180k to around these areas. So, but we can see that it's very obvious. It's in the structures in this block. Still not to see a very obvious bearish phenomena like just have a very just rapid go up downside to maybe to the 150k in these areas. Well, maybe if it really does, it's maybe the time to go long, but we still need to be careful. That's maybe the semi gap we need to fill up. It's pretty important. And also Ethereum it's absolutely is a little bit bearish because he actually broke up the structures in the first line in Fibonacci. And although there's a comeback in the and these yellow areas, we know, but still need to be think that whether it can cross up, just go through the red line. If they can back to the red line, it's still very bullish. But if can't, maybe it's not a good information for all of the guys to go long. So that's pretty important. And so let's see. What about Vivian? Let's see her long-term analyze. So I think only one thing I want to say to sport holders is 100 thousands, 8,088 before 150,000. There is at HTF and LTF sections. Choose sections based on your situations charted here. Holding wouldn't hurt only if you are resilient. For e.g., when LTC goes to 88, you are still green because you bought 77. So you feel me? If you are aiming higher, holding doesn't hurt. Make the decision based what is good for you. And so he showed a chart. So this is a clean short. SSL sweeps below 150 and retrace to the 120 next week. That is 120 and 112 is short. And 112 and the 110 is accumulation. As per my calculations, 30th July is when we are getting an entry for a big short, and July 30th to August 8th must bleed. So FOMC should cause a pump from 150 to 120. That is the plan. And this is Vivian's long-term analysis. And let's see, what about her yesterday contract stream channel? So let's see. Okay, so ready to roll. The first SYRUP get profits. Next trade, let's see. SLP shorts make profits, and cents. Okay, this could take up to Friday, Saturday. So this is a long-term trade. So okay, he plays take profit. Okay, so 3 trades, 3 winnings. So not bad. And let's see about Johnny. What about Johnny said? Okay, so Johnny just showed some chart and said about like this. What is it about? This is Bitcoin. He think compression getting tight, and this must have a big move soon. And he just showed the XRP limit and the plan field. Yeah, he do that. He do this trade. I think it's the time for go long, and this needle insertion let him just go inside just entry. So let's see about it. And the Solana, just write the line. The Solana hold here and 130 next, I think. So that is Johnny's opinion. Let's see Bojan yesterday. Okay, so Bojan said PPI data drops 1 hour before NY open, likely low impact, just like CPI yesterday. Tesla and Google earnings today could influence sentiments, especially if surprises occur. Existing home sales at 4 p.m. SET. Low expected market impact. So the chart, I didn't trade much Bitcoin yesterday. Price ranged the whole day. Took long before the altcoin stream idea stop below low target high. Price swept London high didn't show because it didn't take out the PT high. News of Trump supporting crypto legislation had no real impact. So overall, very few clean Bitcoin setups. Else was better to trade. Morning setups, let's set just key levels. The first one is 180K, 150K, 130K, 112K, and the short up is 121K. NPOC and the supply zone is pretty important. So the key observation is highest daily close ever on Bitcoin was just printed. Remains bullish bias. Double top and pullback into EQ shows potential for longs of PDEQ, so would prefer deeper move before NY for better entry. So that is Border's ideas. So let's just take advice for him. Okay, let's say about Daniel. Daniel didn't say anything. He didn't say much about it. So I'm just see next one. Okay, Illusion. Let's see. Illusion did a really good job. Let's see about his. Oh, this trade is absolutely great, bro. It's very incredible. I mean, you can see that. And finished in a very short term. You know, Illusion is a very incredible trader. They always can just have a very brilliant decisions in a very short time and make a very great profit. So that's his ability. I think it's really important. And let's see about the new channel, the Lab. Lab is this week our channels added, and there's not very much obvious profit like Ken. He just yesterday did XRP and no show his profit, and Lana got profit. Lana got AAVE yesterday, and this is a not bad trade. About you can see that around 8% got profit. It's not bad. So with the data, okay, so we'll just show you guys in the future. We still just observe their performance. So today's sharing. So if you like our channels, you like our videos, you can just subscribe us, and also you can just contact with me, and we have a free experience for our channels or for our society, and you can see that. So this is today's videos. I hope you like it. See you tomorrow.